Hey YouTube, I'm going to be doing a bike check today. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, start off I got Sunday Triumph handlebars. These things I got Odyssey Aeronos keypad grips. They're nice and grippy. So I have blisters on my hands now. Odyssey plastic Barends. Colony stem. Colony Cane Creek headset, Colony Dagger forks. I took all the stickers off by the way because I don't like stickers. Odyssey hazard rim laced to a Odyssey Vandero 2 V2 hub. Odyssey tire, don't know which one. Colony Phantom or Lowcut frame. They changed the name I think. With Odyssey seat, senior seat, it's plastic, to some unknown Seatpost. I don't have a seat clamp because it's built in. Odyssey plastic glow in the dark pedals. They're nice and pedally, I guess. Unknown Sprocket, got it for my old bike. KMC Kool chain. I used to have a Shadow Conspiracy one till the guy at the bike store was like, yeah, it's shit, so I changed that. Odyssey Twombolt cranks. Nice and cranky. Odyssey tire back there. Hazard rim back with a Vandero thing, hub I think. And that's pretty much it. I'll give you a bit of a sound check. Sounds pretty cool. And that's my bike. It's pretty cool. Not pretty cool, it's very cool actually. Subscribe, comment and like. I'll see you next time.